Hey ladies, Chrissy K here, creator of Chrissy K's Club, the most effective and comfortable body contouring garments on the market. I'm going to show you today my #1 selling full back, full body shaper Faja that's perfect for not only everyday wear, but it's perfect for post-op, stage 1, stage 2, and postpartum recovery. So one thing I want to touch on, ladies, as I always do, that of course when you get these shapers, yes, it's going to be a little bit work. So don't fret, don't worry during the process. If it seems to be a little bit difficult, if you break a little bit of a sweat, that's okay. Just turn the fan on, take a little break, take a little breather, and let's go back at it. Because once you have it on, it is very, very comfortable. And once after that first initial wear, it's going to be really comfortable for you after that. It's going to start to learn your body. It's going to contour to your body. So you're not going to have to worry about if that's going to be a daily occurrence. No, it's not. You might have to add 5 or 10 minutes to your schedule in the beginning, but after that, it's great. So I'm going to go ahead and start to put it on. Once you get it out of the packaging, you want to just wake it up a little bit, give it a little tug, pull, zip it all the way down, and once you unclamp your eye and hook, make sure you get that bottom one, make sure it's not stuck. So with this one, because it does have the silicone bands on the thighs to prevent it rolling up throughout the day, I always go in and roll these up first so you don't worry about them getting caught as you're trying to put it on. Makes the process a little bit more difficult. Just remember, follow these steps and we're gonna make it as easy as possible. Maybe a little bit of work, but hey, when we follow these, it'll be a little easier. So start like this. So when you step in it, you're stepping in it like this hole here. It does have a hole to use the restroom, yay. So I'm going to step in it 1 foot at a time. And then I'm going to keep my feet together. But before I get started, and this is a size medium by the way, before I get started pulling it up, I'm going to just do this number here. Stretch it out, wiggle, jiggle, stretch, get a little butt thing. Okay, so feet back together, and I want to put my thumbs in here, and I want to pull up one leg at a time. And you see I have this leg straight still, but I have this one bent a little bit to give it like a little tension outwardly. So I'm going to pull up, come over here, put my thumbs in, and up. And you see I'm sliding my thumb in the back and I'm pulling up here, but my thumbs never come out because that's giving you the barrier between your garment and your body. I'm gonna pull that up as I go along. Keep pulling your thighs up. And you see I'm doing a little push out there, but my feet are still close together during this whole process. And once I'm here, I'm gonna put my hands in here, wiggle out, up. Just like that. Then I'm gonna grab it here, put my thumbs back in the inside, out, up there. And we're on. Now if you just had a BBL, you might have to do that motion a little fast. I'm gonna unloosen the arms, stretch. Pull up like that. Unloosen the strap. Pull that one up. We're gonna get it. Pull up, wiggle pop, pull up, wiggle pop. Now, if you got this to flatten your belly, right now, your stomach is really protruding out. You feel like there's no way I'm gonna put this on. Chrissy done gave me the wrong size. I ordered the wrong size. Don't worry. Its looks can be deceiving. So first, if you have a lot of tummy area here, I want you to pick it up, push your belly up and over, and pull the faja outwardly as you do it. So grab it really good grip here, pull it out, get your stomach in, pull it up and over, so you can really get it in. And if you need to, just stay. Do a little stretch, a few seconds. Do a little stretch, a few seconds. And then we're gonna pull out and clamp. And if you have a belly, what I want you to do before you clamp, I'm sorry, I'm gonna back up a little bit. Rewind, put your thumbs in the inside here. If that's if you have a C-section, if you have sensitive lipo areas, anything like that, tummy tuck, just had a baby, or you just have a lot of belly here, I want you to grab it with your thumbs here, pull it down, out, up. And do it again over here, down, out, up. Then do it again over here, down, out, up. So you can really get the garment up on you. Then I'm gonna start clamping. I'm gonna take this thumb, keep this thumb here on the clamps on the inside, pull out and over, clamp. Pull up again a little bit, or if you have a lot of belly area, do that pull up in the belly each time. I'm gonna pull out and over again. Okay, then I'm gonna get this here, pull this up, that should sit there. Lift your breasts up really nicely. Just lift your breasts, lift your butt, contours your waistline, flattens your belly, and lifts the butt really, really well. So once you're here, you can take the seam and pop that up, because you want to make sure you have the seam all the way up here on your thigh, so you can contour your butt really well. And then at the end, I'm gonna go and flatten my thighs out. So I leave that for last, so we can use all of the power knit material up top. I don't know if I mentioned before, but it does have a nice big hole to use the restroom. So that's very, very vital after your surgery, or just your everyday ease of wearing the garment, period. And this garment is perfect for, like, once again, everyday wear. Wear it all the time. Wear it as your main piece. Wear it under your clothes. Wear it under your jeans. Wear it under your dresses. Wear it, wear it, wear it. The more you wear it, the more it's gonna contour the body. So they can be up like that. See how I just adjusted that. The more you wear it, the more it's gonna contour the body, the more it's gonna lift your butt, the more it's gonna contour your waist, contour your back, get all your underarm, lifts up the belly, so gravity can stop pulling it down, lifting the belly up, lifting your hips up, contouring your thighs here, all the way around, comfort and contour. I love, love, love this garment. It's my go-to piece for sure. Not only can you wear it with everything, but it feels so gosh darn good, and it's so easy to wear, and it's just a no-brainer, and it makes your whole, everything you put on just look bomb. I mean, everything you put on just looks bomb. So this is definitely a must-have piece for your everyday wear. Must-have piece if you just had a baby or about to have a baby. Add that to your registry. You just had a BBL, you had a tummy tuck, you had lipo, you had hip fillers here. It is perfect for all of that because it's not giving you too much compression here, but it's just giving you enough to give you that nice contour compression and lift. And this is how it should fit once it's on and on properly. And just give it some adjustments. And like I said, the initial work to put on, it is the first time, but as you wear it, it gets easier and easier. Ladies, after you have your surgery, it is so important to get on the right, perfect faja. Not only is it comfortable for you to wear all day, but also contours the waist well. That also doesn't compress your hips if you had your hips done. That doesn't flatten the butt at the top if you had your butt done. Gives you a good, nice shape. Your faja is 50% of the results that you will receive. The doctor does 50%, your aftercare, your faja does the other 50%. So stay in your faja. Buy it from Chrissy K's. It's tested and approved. My clients love it. They live by it. So everything that I bring to you is Chrissy K's stamped and approved. Make sure you follow Chrissy K's Club on Instagram. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also Facebook, Chrissy K's Club. Visit me in store. I have my store at the Castleberry Hill District, Atlanta, Georgia. Please Google Chrissy K's Club. Look at what everybody has to say about the brand. Don't forget to follow us and follow everything, because I will not only be bringing you all of my garments, but I also be bringing you daily tips and daily just everything that I'm learning from my clients. My one-on-one personal experience that I get with you all. Everything is perfected by me, created for you, with you in mind first. Once again, I'm Chrissy K, Chrissy K's Club, and I look forward to you following on your journey and assisting you on your journey. It's next girl, Chrissy K's Full Body Shaper. Faja, land.